and Indiana Jones DCS soundboard. Much better sound than the pre-DCS board. On my bench, I've figured out how to wire this correctly to my system, and we have it working 100%. Changed out some inline capacitors there, some 1 microfarad caps down here also, and there's a 1 microfarad over there too. All been changed out. The 2 big 10,000 microfarad caps have been changed out. These regulate the plus and a minus 5 volt power that goes to the DAC. And before, it really wasn't making any sound at all. There we are, all the way back around. She is working beautifully.